Audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. How to make money from Dubai's property boom in 2024. A guide for smart investors. Part 3 of 7. Want to buy real estate in the United Arab Emirates? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Listen to Part 2 for the beginning. District 3. Jumeirah Village Circle. Jumeirah Village Circle JVC is a rustic, family-friendly residential development with parks, canals, studios, apartments, villas, and townhouses developed by Nakheel and located in the heart of New Dubai. JVC is a family-friendly master community developed by Nakheel, located at the heart of New Dubai. It offers a variety of residential options, from studios to 5-bedroom villas, surrounded by landscaped gardens and canals. It has a range of amenities and facilities, such as schools, parks, fitness centers, clinics, pharmacies, hotels, and the Circle Mall. It is also close to Dubai Marina, Internet City, Media City, and JLT, making it convenient for commuters. The average price per square foot for apartments in Jumeirah Village Circle was $765, about $286 in Q3 2022, up by 25% from $713, about $267 in Q3 2021. An example of a residential complex in this area is May Residence, which is a G+5 building offering studio, 1-bedroom, and 1+ made apartments with private parking, swimming pool, and gym. A studio apartment in May Residence with a size of 377 square ft was listed for sale at $310,000, about $116, $105 in November 2022. Some of JVC's attractions, according to Real Estate Group, include Circle Mall, a new community mall that features over 200 shops, 40 dining outlets, a cinema, a supermarket, a fitness center, and a rooftop social hub. Hive JVC, a mixed-use development that comprises residential, commercial, and retail spaces, as well as a hotel and a sports complex. JSS International School, a reputed Indian curriculum school that caters to students from kilogram to grade 12. Al Salam Mosque, a beautiful mosque that can accommodate up to 500 worshippers. Some of the real estate trends in JVC are: according to Bayat's H1 2023 Dubai Rental Market Report, JVC tops the list of popular areas offering affordable apartment rentals in the city. According to Bayat's H1 2023 Dubai Sales Market Report, JVC ranks second among the top neighborhoods for buying apartments in the city. According to Smart Crowd, JVC is a major property hotspot in Dubai due to its attractive prices, high rental yields, and growing demand. According to Real Estate Group, JVC witnessed a surge of new projects and developments in 2022, such as Bangadi Onyx, Astoria Residence, Leia Residence, and Plazo Heights. Some of the stores and restaurants in JVC are: Trattoria by Sink, an upmarket Italian restaurant located at the 5 Jumeirah Village Hotel, offering authentic dishes and a sleek ambience. Louis Restaurant and Cafe, a popular Lebanese restaurant located at the Circle Mall, offering grilled lamb, manakish, salads, sandwiches, and shisha. Santeria, a vibrant Latin restaurant and bar located at the First Collection Hotel, offering dishes from South America, such as tacos, ceviche, and jerk chicken. Arabesco Restaurant, a cozy restaurant located at the Souk al-Bahar, offering Mediterranean cuisine with an international twist, such as hummus, shawarma, and pasta. La Lezer Restaurant, a fine dining Turkish restaurant located at the Claren Tower, offering traditional dishes such as kebabs, mez, and baklava. Some of the infrastructure and facilities in JVC are: JVC has a well-planned road network that connects it to major highways, such as Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, Al Khail Road, and Hessa Street. JVC has a public transportation system that includes buses and taxis, as well as a future metro station that is expected to be operational by 2023. JVC has a sustainable and eco-friendly design that incorporates green spaces, water features, solar panels, and waste management systems. JVC has a community management team that oversees the maintenance, security, and cleanliness of the area. Some of the hospitals and daycare centers in JVC and nearby areas are: Right Health, a specialized medical center that offers services in general medicine, internal medicine, dermatology, Pediatrics, Obstetrics and Gynecology, and Orthopedics. Emirates Hospital Day Surgery and Medical Center, a multi-speciality hospital located in Motor City that offers services in cardiology, radiology, general surgery, and endoscopy. Medcare Medical Center, a premium hospital located in JVT that offers services in family medicine, ENT, gynecology, orthopedics, dentistry, and more. Ladybird Early Learning Center, a British nursery located in JVC that offers the AIFS curriculum with a Montessori approach for children aged 6 months to 5 years. Raffles Early Childhood Center, a British nursery located in Dubai Marina that offers the AIFS curriculum with a focus on individual needs and interests for children aged 18 months to 4 years. Here are some of the interesting facts and events according to Real Estate Group at JVC in 2022 and 2023. JVC hosted the first edition of the JVC Festival, a community event that featured live music, food trucks, art workshops, and family activities in November 2022. JVC celebrated the opening of the Circle Mall, the first and largest mall in the area, in December 2022, with a grand ceremony and special offers. JVC witnessed a significant increase in population, from 80,000 residents in 2021 to 120,000 residents in 2023, making it one of the most populous areas in Dubai. JVC welcomed several new hotels and resorts, such as the First Collection, the Leia Mansion, the Astoria Residence, and the Leia Residence, adding to the hospitality and tourism sector of the area. Some of the advantages of living in JVC for different groups of people are: for couples, JVC offers a romantic and peaceful lifestyle with cozy apartments, scenic views, and fine dining options. For families with children, JVC offers a safe and friendly environment with spacious villas, schools, parks, and recreational facilities. For young professionals and businesses, JVC offers an affordable and convenient location with easy access to the city's commercial hubs as well as modern amenities and services. Some of the interesting things to read about JVC in general are: the history and vision of JVC, how it was conceived and developed by Nakheel, and what are its future plans and prospects. The diversity and culture of JVC, how it attracts and accommodates people from different backgrounds and nationalities, and what are the social and community activities that take place in the area. The lifestyle and entertainment of JVC, how it offers a balance between urban and village living, and what are the attractions and events that make it a fun and exciting place to be. JVC is one of the best areas to invest in Dubai for high rental yields, as it offers spacious and quality apartments at competitive prices. According to Redin, the average rental yield for apartments in JVC was 7.8% in H1 2023, while the average capital appreciation was 5.6% in the same period. The ROI for flipping apartments in JVC is also promising, as the area has a growing demand for modern and stylish units. The initial investment cost is also relatively low, as the average price per square foot for apartments in JVC was Oid 667, about $182 in H1 2023, according to Bayat. Investing in Jumeirah Village Circle real estate can be varied, but the returns in this area will always be among the highest and most stable in Dubai. By buying studios, apartments, or villas in JVC, you are contributing to your peaceful and sustainable future. And the Jumeirah Village Circle area can be a great start for profitable investments in the UAE, and Real Estate Group will certainly help you realize them. Want to buy real estate in the United Arab Emirates? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Listen to part 4 for the continuation.